Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to my trip. So today I was already at the start point from Leke Waterfall. So if you would like to come and visiting Leke Waterfall, it is really high recommend for me. So on this great day I really want to show you how's that's the Leke Waterfall. So excuse me.
Welcome to Leke, Bali.
So I really want to know how much does it cost for entrance fee to get to the Leke Waterfall?
Our waterfall for Leke, Bali, that is 50,000 rupiah for one person.
Alright, is
and
there
from 6 years old is same price here.
It's the same price from 6 years old. Alright.
Local also same price.
The local also the same. So do you recommend to do visiting the waterfall in the morning or on afternoons? What time is the best times do you think?
I think more be better in the morning because there is less people in the morning.
Alright, that sounds great. So I'm really curious to see the waterfall. Thank you so much for the information. So I already got the ticket before, and let's see. I really want to walk through the waterfall. Anyway, guys, there's so really gorgeous at this waterfall, especially if you are came in the morning, because you also can get something to drinks over here. If you are lovely nature, I'm really high recommends to visiting in the morning because will be less crowded. So let's walk through the waterfall first. So before going into the waterfall, we are already welcoming with these signs. It's Leke Waterfall. So let's go and walk for few hundred meters through the waterfall. So on this great day, I will become to visiting the waterfall with my friends. They are Lila. They already go walk, probably already like halfway through the waterfall, but later I will be show you about the waterfall. The access through the waterfall is really nice because all surrounding with nice beautiful tropical gardens. Over here, as you already can see, there is the coffee plantations, vanilla, durians, and many more. So let's get walk through the waterfall. It is really interesting to see and to show you about this waterfall. So check it out and see you soon at the waterfall, guys. This is the local people which is working every day to cut the grass because they has a cow. Good day. Over here, all on the way through the waterfall, there's also some activity that you can try. If you are lovely, make a really amazing view with playing the swings. It is cost 200,000 per swings. It is single. If you are double, like a bed swings, it costs 250 with this tropical view. Let me show you. This is the swings with the jungle view, and over there's a rice paddy, but we couldn't see. That's because it's a little bit far away from here, but the swing is really interesting if you are try it. Okay, keep walking because it will be really nice. Some tourists already going back. Hello. And guys, this is the palm sugar tree. So I have been to the waterfall and also to the temple. I have been explaining to my customer, this is the palm tree that they use for making brown sugar, and also the black things from the palm tree that they use the root for the temple. So it is so gorgeous, don't you? Halfway through the waterfall, it's being so nice all the way through the waterfall, guys. Now I was already really nearby through the waterfall. That's I already can hear it. How is that's the a river, or and also sound from the waterfall was spelling from the top. Let's see. Booms. We are already on halfway through the waterfall. Like there is the photo spot. Some tourists already make it over there. And this is Flyla. And we are exploring the waterfall from Leke. So keep going. It is another few hundred meters we will be in the waterfall. So this is the mangosteen tree. This one. Yeah. The season for the mangosteen usually it's only once a year. And then the fruit usually just come out on this side. On here. It's the end of the leaf, something like that. But now it's not really the season yet. In another couple months will be the season. So guys, if you are visiting Leke waterfall, you don't have to be worried because the access through the waterfall, it is already a really nice bridge. So it's still accessible even though there is the water from the river was floating. So amazing. Like what we can see over here, there is the river. And some tourists is already going back from the waterfall. I'm really very excited to show you how is the update situation at the Leke waterfall. Whew. Walking on this beautiful tropical to show you how is the waterfall situation at the moment. So we already almost reached the waterfall, guys. Hello. Morning. Whew. Beautiful. Woo! Finally we are arrived at the waterfall. We can see from this side already. Wow, what a view, guys. That is the waterfall over there. I can't wait for my lawyer to show you this beautiful waterfall. A lot of people say this is Instagrammable waterfall, guys. Whew. But there's few things that you have to know if you come to visiting the waterfall, that you must be following the rules to make your vacation is going well. I really would like to show you a few things that you have to know if you are visiting this waterfall. This is the things, guys. This is the information that you have to know. Do not play the drones at the waterfall area. And also do not jump from the stone through the waterfall because it's not that really deep. And for the drones, why? There is the reason they not let you play the drones because they just want let's take a risk for you because in here the signal sometimes is loose. Pay attention, there is your personal belongings, like must be keep what you have and everything is on safe, okay? And you have to know this plant is make you itchy, so try to not touch this leaf because otherwise you will be get itchy, guys. This one, all right, exactly at the waterfall point. Okay, time for me to show you the waterfall. There is some tourists already going back from the waterfall. And this is the place, the viewpoint from the waterfall. Woo. Nice, what a view. Bali exploring tour. Let's explore the waterfall with Koma. What do you think about the waterfall?
It's really beautiful, and it was his idea. We didn't know, we didn't think about it. He told us to come here.
Do you like the... Well, after we are enjoying the waterfall, it's time for me to back to the parking because we are felt enough to enjoying this waterfall. And well guys, if you are planning to visit Bali on 2025 or 2026, let me know because I'm really ready to escorting you to show you there is more hidden waterfall that I can show you. So let's see. Whew. Let's enjoy the beautiful nature that we have on this beautiful